The coastal shoreline provides protection against flooding. Mother Nature's creation is also home to beautiful creatures necessary for the sustainability of life. For these reasons and more, shoreline protection should be everybody's business. The National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA) is the lead organization for the protection of the country's natural resources, including its marine life. It's a job the entity has been doing for years, and most recently, NEPA partnered with several agencies to rid the island's coastline of hazardous items. It was International Coastal Cleanup Day, and the environmental entity rallied more than 1,100 volunteers from government ministries and not-for-profit organizations to join the cleanup effort. Across the country, service clubs, church groups, community-based organizations, and school environment clubs were deployed to about 90 sites that were registered for the day's event.
A lot of things on the beach. Outside of plastic bottles, we find sanitary napkins, syringes, and a bunch of other things that shouldn't be on the beach. So I'm just happy that we can be a part of it and we can help to just make the beach and just the environment in general cleaner.
This site is a site where turtles come to nest. It's also important that we kind of keep the area clean and that they don't eat the plastic and the bottles that are there, the broken bottles that are there, and kill themselves because they think it's food.
When you throw your garbage in the gullies and in the riverways, we want to show people that when they wash down, they actually end up on our beaches.
Protecting the shoreline is also linked to the country's economic strength. Jamaica's beaches call tourists to the island, providing employment and a necessary foreign exchange.
Within tropical countries, we're dependent on the environment and the preservation of that environment for that product, tourism product.
The organizers concluded that the event was a success. Our beaches were cleared of nearly 8,000 pounds of garbage, and more Jamaicans are aware of the need to protect our shorelines and other natural assets.